I want to explore.
If you end up in the lost and found, don't expect me to come get you.
Please note, the West Boardwalk is temporarily closed. We hope to have it open again as soon as possible.
I paid for Jurassic Park. Now make with a brachial.
Please remember, the gyrospheres are not bumper cars.
Are we allowed in there?
We've got all access passes, Gray. Can you get through there?
Get it together, Barney. You put this thing together a dozen times before. Holding up the whole show here, Bernie. Oh, hey! You kids shouldn't be in here. But seeing as you are, you got any idea how to put this thing together?
Sure.
You do? You might have just saved old Bernie's bacon. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Keep going. That's it. That's exactly right. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, introducing the biggest bonehead of the Cretaceous period, the Pachycephalosaurus! A Pachycephalosaurus' skull is up to 10 inches thick, making them nature's perfect battering ram. Assuming you ignore massive logs. Let's see how he does against these pillars of solid rock. He sure made short work of that one. You might be thinking, ouch! But with that thick skull, our Pachycephalosaurus pal won't have felt a thing. In the wild, a Pachycephalosaurus will sometimes compete with others for territory. Don't worry, folks. He's going to be just fine. This is just a little light exercise for these tough guys. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back this afternoon with another show.
The West Boardwalk has now been reopened. Remember, ice cream is people food, not dinosaur food.
The gyrospheres. We can ride the gyrospheres.
Thanks for waiting while we cleaned up, folks. Y'all have a great day now.
Next time Lyle's off, you can cover for him on your own. Don't volunteer my...
Will the owner of the child called Griffin please go to the nearest information point?
I'm sorry, everyone. An engineer is on the way. It's my first day, and they're gonna fire me. The gyrosphere track's broken, and nobody's come out to fix it. I should have just mowed lawns for my summer job instead. You did it! I'm not gonna get fired! At least not for this. I owe you big! It's all right, everyone. The ride's open again!
Yeah, and about time.
Enjoy the ride! And don't chase any of the exhibits! Hey! Psst. Because you helped me out, I'll tell you a big secret. There are these special pads, and if you park your gyrosphere on one of them, you can open up shortcuts around the park. Neat, huh? Hey, it's me. There are also some other pads which will spring your gyrosphere up into the air if you use them. Again, that's a big secret, so don't tell anyone I told you. Wait, do they monitor these radio channels?
Yes, we do, Marty.
No hablo español?
I'm Mr. DNA, and I make learning fun.
Dude, off-road.
They told us to go back.
There, see? You're welcome. Up close and personal with 4... dinosauruses.
And Kylosaurus. We shouldn't be here, and there's 5 dinosaurs.
Gonna be good.
I don't think we're allowed to drive through here, Zach.
Whoa!
See that?
Call for help! Stop taking pictures and call for help!
Look, Zach.
Kinda busy driving, bro. Way to go!
Did we lose it?
Go! Hit the brakes! Are you okay? I can't get out of this thing.
We should help the Ankylosaurus. It could beat the other one.
You're the dino expert.
Zach, drive the gyrosphere onto there. Keep driving.
Hey, it's working. Yeah, come on, fight back. Watch out for that tree!
I think your idea's working. What else can we do? Careful, Gray! You did it! There's no way I can get the gyrosphere over that tree.
I can build you a ramp.
Thanks.
I have to help it again.
Just watch yourself. I'm coming. Whoa!
Did the gyrosphere get damaged?
No. It's still working.
It's got the Ankylosaurus's tail! Do something, Zach!
Okay, okay.
They can camo, right? But that paddock is mostly infrared cameras.
The only way it could hide from thermal is if it can change its heat signature. No animal can do that.
Yeah? Well, this one can.
It must have been some kind of a technical malfunction.
Technical? Were you not even watching? She marked up that wall as a distraction. She wanted us to think she escaped.
I'm going to close everything north of the resort.
Let asset containment capture it quietly. The very existence of this park is predicated on our ability to handle incidents like this.
I would have a word with your people in the lab. That thing out there, that is no dinosaur.
Zara, I need you to bring the boys back to the hotel right away. Wait, no. I can't. Slow down. They what? I need you. My nephews, they're out in the valley.